What's going on, guys? Tonight I'm going to answer the question that nobody's ever bothered or really cared enough to ask. How fast is a 2015 Ford Fusion with the 2.5 liter engine? So we're going to find that out. A quick update on my fog lights. You may have seen my install video, the update on them. As far as fitment, everything fits well, but the fog lights themselves, the inside, the reflector part, has burned out. So my fog lights are essentially useless. I'm not sure if you can see that, but all that chrome has melted from the heat of the bulb. So with that said, I would not recommend getting these fog lights. Just maybe this plastic piece here. Everything else fits fine, but the fog lights themselves are junk. The grill was plastic dip. Of course, still holding up fine. Got a few bugs. What's the logo? So yeah, what is the top speed? My guess, maybe 110. It is all stock. Let's find out. So this is what I was talking about with my fog lights, how they work, but they don't work because the reflectors have burnt off. So right now, they're on, the headlights are off, and there's no light being put out. It just kind of to prove that they're off. Kind of proves that they're on. The lights themselves are on. They're just not putting out any light. So, like I said, as far as this eBay kit that I got, 2 thumbs down. Here we go. I don't have a whole lot of faith in this. I'm gonna start from about a 40 roll. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find enough empty straight road to do this. So I actually moved to another stretch of road. We can try this again. Do the same thing, 40 roll. This time it's gonna be in sport mode though, to see if that makes a difference as far as the acceleration. So background, this is a 2015 Ford Fusion, 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder. No turbo, just 175 horsepower, 175 foot-pounds of torque. Probably 3,700 pound car. It's automatic transmission. So we'll see this and see what we can get. There we have it. Looks like the top speed is about 120. Definitely better than I thought it was going to be. It pulls well up until that 6th gear when the engine power just dies off when you're out the power band. And just for fun, I'm going to throw in a clip of my R1 doing the same speeds, and you can see the difference between something like this and something that's actually fast. And I'm also going to upload a video on how I swapped out my taillights and my rear bumper for the ones that came off of our titanium Fusion. And what you get when you get the titanium Fusion, this LED ring that goes around the taillights, and you get this lower valance with these polished exhaust tips on them. I think it definitely makes the back of the car look a lot better. Now I do still have to finish painting the bumper. That was just temporary because it was a different color. So there you have it. It's top speed of these Fusions, 120s. Not too bad.